Hello everyone, this is me Parthigo and today we will be solving Leetcode problem of the day. So the name of the problem is shifting letters to. In this we have given a string s of lowercase English letters and a 2D integer array shift. Here shift of I is indicating start of I, end of I and direction of I. So for every I, shift the character in s from the index start I to the index end I inclusive. Forward if direction of I is 1 or shift the character backwards if direction of I is 0. So shifting a characters forward means replacing it with the next character. That means if we are having a Z, then we are replacing it with A. If we are having a, we are replacing it with B. And for the backward, if we are at A, then we are replacing it with Z. If we are at B, then we are replacing it with the A. Okay. And we have done the final string after all the shift to S are applied. Okay. So that question is asked by the company called Veritas. Okay. So now let's look into the problem. Okay. So we have given a string ABC and we have given shifts. Okay. So currently our string is ABC. The index is 0, 1 and 2. Now the first shift is 0 to 1. Okay, so from index number 0 to index number 1, we have to do a backward shift. That means A will become Z, B will become A, and C will remain C. Okay, after that we are having a 1, 2, so that means from 1 to 2, and we are having a forward shift. That means the A will become B and C will become D. Okay, after that we are having a 0 so 2, so from 0 to 2 we have to do a forward shift. That means Z will become A, B will become C and D will become E. That is our answer. Okay, that is matching with the output. Okay, so now how we can solve it. So if you have learned the concept of prefix sum, so we can use similar approach here. Okay, so we can create a prefix array. After that, for every shift, let's suppose we are having a prefix array of length 4. Okay, so here we are at 0 to 1. So what we will do? We will do a minus. For the backward, we do -1. For the forward, we will do +1. Okay, that is our prefix array. So from 0 to 1, we are doing a backward shift. So from 0 to 1, so 0 will be -1, -1 here, 0 and 1 will be -1. Okay, after that we are at 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is a +1. Okay, so from 1 it will become 0 and 1 to 2, that means it becomes 1. Now we are at 0 to 2 and we are doing a +1. That -1 will become 0, the 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 2. That means we are doing 0 updation in A, 1 forward shift to B, 2 forward shift to C. Okay, so we will be using the concept of prefix sum. Okay, so now let's look into the code how we can do that. Okay, so first I have taken a length. After that we have created a prefix array. Okay, so for every shift, if the shift is forward, that means the value is 1. If the shift is backward, then value is -1. Okay, so we can do prefix of I plus equals to val and prefix of j plus 1 minus equals to val. After that we can compute the prefix array. Okay, and in Python we can't modify the string, so we have to convert it out to list first. After that we will be just doing the changes to the string. So first we are finding the order of that character, we are appending the prefix of it, and we are doing a mod with 26, and after that we are assigning the current character to the s of I. After that we are just returning it. So if you have any doubt in this question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.